Hi everyone, so in this video I have got Lenovo latest laptop, which I'm gonna do the unboxing and show you what's inside the box. And this one I ordered recently. This one is the latest one with AMD Ryzen 7 processor with 5K series, and this one has the AMD Radeon graphic card in it, 16 GB RAM and Windows 11 Pro. So let's do the unboxing. So this one comes with, as you know, the usual manual inside and the instruction and the warranty card. So as you can see, Lenovo V4 Gen 3, Lenovo V15, they both all the instruction for the charger and how to plug in and how to charge, all the manual, so you can read it through in your free time. Comes with the charger, normal charger, 3-pin one, and this one is the normal Lenovo charger with 65 watt is the adapter, which is good. I'm sure it's fast charging, so it's going to charge your laptop in 10-15 minutes. I think it's a full charge time. I'll double check. So this is nice and cool. So Lenovo always known and very famous from their gaming laptop, and they make the really powerful laptops. As usual, this one is Windows 11 Pro. As you can see, the style of the Lenovo one is really nice and elegant as usual. It's very slim as well. Comes with one Ethernet port, one USB, and very nice and smooth. On the other side, we have USB-C, HDMI, one other USB port, audio jack, your headphone jack, and your charger. So all the normal 2 USB ports and 1 HDMI. So let's look inside. So on the usual mat to cover the keyboard, comes with this Lenovo Premium Care, where you can install and check online, maybe do the installation. So when you open it, it's nice and smooth keyboard. The keyboard is always the best, very nice in typing and not very loud as compared to the other laptops. They have a power button here, and then all the normal keyboard, the touchpad, the mouse pad. Yeah, very nice. And then this one here, it comes with the camera. You can close and turn it on and off. Let's remove this. So this camera, you can turn it off and on for the privacy reasons. Nice screen. I think it's 14-inch. This one is 14-inch screen. Comes with the AMD Ryzen 500 series 7, and the graphic card is AMD Radeon, and then that's the QR you can scan and support. So let's turn on this one. I'm sure it's charged. I think I need to plug it in. And another cool stuff with this laptop, it's not 360, but you can put it down the maximum you can. Look, it's nearly much flat. It goes all the way to the flat surface, which is good. It cannot be 360. You cannot flip it all the way back. It's gonna break it, as you can see here, but it goes all the way down, which is really good. you can work away like that, and if you're using external screens, you can use that. I'm just gonna quickly run the setup and show you guys. So here it's asking you either personal or work. You can select either of the option, and then from here you have to press from the keyboard here Control Shift and F10. Actually it's Function Shift and F10. When you press it, you'll see the CMD. Here you have to type ncpa.cpl, then hit enter. Then this window will open. Here you have to disable. First you have to log in or connect with your Wi-Fi, and then you have to disabling from here. It's done. Close that, and then you have to enter this command OOPE/bypass NRO. Then it's gonna restart again. So and then here, as you can see, I don't have internet option is coming up here. Before it was showing the Wi-Fi option. This was not here. Now as you can see, it's showing I don't have internet. Click on this one, and then here you will see continue with limited step. Just click on that. You can skip this one, select that, very nice and very fast. I hope you like this video, and if there is anything else you want to know what's left off, let me know in the comments below, and I will try to respond as soon as possible. Thanks for watching.